What, donate my hair?
You know, like the people over there, like in India, they got them thinking like it's part of like their religion.
Oh, I know. Like they're doing something for God. They're giving their hair up for
Yeah,
God or
they're telling
something.
them stories.
That's sad.
Is your hair happy?
It's beautiful.
Does
Thank you.
the product SP4 Hair help your hair? How do you feel about the product?
I love the product. It's so shiny, so lightweight. Don't have to do nothing with it. So bouncy.
Has your hair grown?
Yes, it has. Because it was all broke.
How bad was it when you came?
Stop asking me that. It's embarrassing. You can see the picture. It was really, really bad because I let it go for about 2 years, and in 2 minutes, you made it beautiful.
Okay, now you said something that touched me. That you said it was harder to to not keep it up versus how
Right.
easy it is.
Going natural was harder to keep up than keeping it with your stuff.
And then, how often do you get a relaxer? You got a relaxer about was it end of August or beginning
Yeah,
of?
beginning of September. Yep.
And then we just did one today. Now, do you have any shedding with SP4 Hair?
Nope, no shedding.
And
No split ends.
and do you use anything else with the product?
Nope, nothing.
Okay. And does your hair get dirty, smelly, and build up with the product?
Not at all.
Do you have to put heat in your hair?
Nope.
Do you have to wash your hair?
I don't do anything. 6 weeks.
Thank you. Bless your heart.
Love you.
Love you too.